Imagine this, you're on a business trip, racking up expenses left and right. Dinners, flights, cabs, it all adds up. Then comes the dreaded task, expense reports. Mountains of crumpled receipts, blurry phone pictures, and the constant struggle to remember what each one was for. Ugh. There has to be a better way, right? Well, there is. Enter MamaCard and its companion app, MamaConnect. This dynamic duo is designed to streamline your expense management process, turning that overflowing wallet into a sleek, organized system. But what exactly can MamaCard do for you? MamaCard, your pocket-sized expense superhero. MamaCard is a prepaid corporate card that seamlessly integrates with the MamaConnect app. Think of it as a magic wand for your finances. Here's how it works. Effortless spending, ditch the cash and receipts. Use your MamaCard for all your business expenses, from office supplies to travel costs. Transactions are automatically recorded in the app, eliminating the need for manual entry. Smart categorization, no more scrambling to remember what that crumpled receipt was for. MamaCard automatically categorizes each transaction, saving you precious time and frustration. Real-time tracking, gone are the days of worrying about exceeding your budget. The MamaConnect app provides real-time spending insights, allowing you to stay in control of your finances. Simplified reporting, expense reports used to be a nightmare, right? With MamaCard, generating reports is a breeze. All your categorized transactions are readily available in the app, ready to be exported with a few clicks. But MamaCard is just one half of the equation. MamaConnect, your expense management command center. MamaConnect, the app that pairs with your MamaCard, goes beyond just tracking your spending. It's your central hub for all things expense management. Here's what you can expect. Receipt capture, even if you do encounter a non-card transaction, think tolls or parking meters, MamaConnect allows you to snap a picture of the receipt and easily upload it for proper categorization. Approval workflows, managing a team? The app allows you to set up customized approval workflows, ensuring all expenses are reviewed and authorized before processing. Real-time policy compliance, MamaCard and MamaConnect work hand in hand with your company's expense policies. The app flags any potential violations, keeping you on the straight and narrow. Is MamaCard right for you? Whether you're a freelancer juggling multiple projects or a corporate expense warrior, MamaCard and MamaConnect can be a game changer. The system saves you time, simplifies reporting, and gives you complete control over your business finances. But wait, there's more. In our next video, we'll delve deeper into the world of MamaCard, exploring specific features, benefits, and even cost comparisons with other expense management solutions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.